Did you know that one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history occurred in Halifax, Nova Scotia? On December 6, 1917, the SS Mont Blanc, a French cargo ship loaded with explosives, collided with the Norwegian vessel SS Imo in the Halifax harbor. The resulting explosion killed approximately 2,000 people and injured over 9,000. The blast leveled buildings and caused a shockwave felt over 200 kilometers away. The disaster led to a tsunami that swept through the harbor, and a subsequent blizzard hampered rescue efforts. The Halifax explosion remains a pivotal moment in Canadian history, demonstrating the devastating power of human error combined with dangerous cargo.